Are you interested in having a solid alternative to Shopify and create a great online store? Meet Dukaan, a cutting-edge e-commerce platform that allows users to open an online store in a no-code, do-it-yourself manner. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. Dukaan is one of the most user-friendly and feature-packed e-commerce platforms available, making it an excellent choice for companies of all sizes, from sole proprietorships to multinational corporations. Not only can one rapidly launch their business using Dukaan, but they can also scale their operations and make significant headway in a significantly shorter time than their rivals. Furthermore, Dukaan is an excellent solution for companies constructed for the Internet first generation because it comes with a comprehensive library of plugins and integrations and the possibility to customize it to meet all your requirements. Dukaan presents a formidable challenge to Shopify's dominance in the market. You will be fine with setting up and managing your online store thanks to the intuitive design of this program, which also provides a wide range of functions to assist you in doing so. The speed of Dukaan is one of its most notable qualities. Because the app loads quickly and it is easy to navigate through the various areas, running your store and keeping track of the orders and sales will be much simpler. In addition, customers can complete their purchases quickly and easily because of the streamlined checkout procedure, which is another area in which this store excels. The fact that Dukaan allows for fully configurable layouts is another one of its many strong suits. Thanks to the app's extensive library of templates and themes, you will be able to design a one-of-a-kind and aesthetically pleasing store that accurately reflects your business. You can add a unique logo, photos, and other brand identity elements to customize further and personalize your online store. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Create your dream online store with Dukaan. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.